Hi, it's Marissa from Gaia Africa, and I'm checking in with you again as to what we are up to at the INC4 in Ottawa, Canada. Over the past 2 days, we have been engaged in contact group discussions in order to streamline the revised zero draft text. So member states have been spending much of their time engaged in these contact group rooms. We are currently split into two contact groups, Contact Group 1 and Contact Group 2. So Contact Group 1 deals with the core obligations of the revised zero draft text, whereas Contact Group 2 deals with means of implementation, financial mechanism, and capacity building of the revised zero draft text. Within Contact Group 1, we have been primarily discussing the scope of the treaty, the objectives of the treaty, as well as definitions and key guiding principles of the treaty. We've also been focused on discussions around EPR, as well as emissions and problematic and avoidable plastics. Within Contact Group 2, on the other hand, as I said, we've been discussing financial mechanism, and maybe just to highlight a few key priorities for us as Gaia and Gaia Africa is in Contact Group 1, our priority is to prioritize upstream measures with the aim of reducing primary plastic polymer reduction, as well as to ensure that the scope of the treaty covers the comprehensive life cycle of plastics with protection of human health and the environment. Around definitions, we are currently calling for a standalone article on definitions with definitions that are clear and that could be potentially discussed in intersessional work. On the principles article, for example, the key things that are of priority to us is a principle on human rights, which would really make all of the difference to the plastics treaty. Within Contact Group 2, which is around means of implementation, as I mentioned, we're really calling for a dedicated new multilateral fund that will really help to implement the treaty on a longer term. So that is all I can report on for now. Be sure to follow our social media pages for more daily updates.